कुठलंही स्किल आपल्याला अडॉप्ट करायचं असेल तर त्याच्यासाठी काही बेसिक टर्मिनॉलॉजीज आपल्याला शिकाव्या लागतात, काही बेसिक आयडिया आपल्याला फॅमिलियर व्हावं लागतं. सो लेट अस डिस्कस फॉर लर्निंग लँग्वेज and not for other language. We are discussing here for only English language, how we can learn it, what all basic ideas we must understand for learning it, and how we can communicate or how we can entertain, or let's say for example speak fluently within peoples and all. So let us discuss. First of all, we will start it from basic. We have here, you can see capital letters and small letters. त्यालाच आपण प्रिंटेड फॉर्म म्हणतो, ज्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट आणि सेकंड लेटर्स इन्क्लूड केलेले आहेत. यू कॅन सी, यू नो इट व्हेरी वेल, but just giving you an idea how we can understand it ahead. So we have certain questions, we have certain different, let's say for example, ideologies to understand it from the crash or from the first level. So let us discuss here second, that is again third and fourth letter, which we can see here. तिसरी आणि चौथी लिपी याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा कॅपिटल्स आणि स्मॉल्स आहेत. तिसरी लिपी जी आहे ती कॅपिटल आहे आणि चौथी ही आहे ती स्मॉल आहे. इथे तुम्ही बघू शकता, यू कॅन सी. अँड दिस फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड ॲज कर्सिव्ह फॉर्म. या फॉर्मलाच कर्सिव्ह फॉर्म असं म्हटलं जातं. आता हा कर्सिव्ह फॉर्म जनरली इंटरनॅशनल किंवा globally now it is taken all over India, and many convent students or many convent peoples can use this kind of format, and they are presenting their papers, they are writing in that cursive format. So first of all, try to understand it. Then we have how to present it. आता प्रत्येक विद्यार्थ्याला शाळेतला वाटत असतं की माझं हँडरायटिंग ब्रिलियंट असावं, बट ऑब्वियस आहे, कारण एक्झाम ही लिखाणाची असते, आणि जेव्हा तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये रिप्रेझेंट करायचे त्यावेळेला तुमचं हँडरायटिंग बेस्ट असणं ही काळाची गरज आहे. सो इंग्लिशच्या काही ज्या दोन्ही लिपीज आहेत, फर्स्ट सेकंड आणि थर्ड फोर्थ, या दोन्ही लिपीज मध्ये लिहिण्यासाठीचे काही स्ट्रोक्स फॉलो करणं गरजेचे. स्पेसिफिकली आपण प्रिंटेड फॉर्मॅट मधले फर्स्ट अँड सेकंड लेटर्सचीच या ठिकाणी बघणार आहोत. वी हॅव 3 ट्रिक्स. पहिली ट्रिक या ठिकाणी तुमच्या समोर आहे. काही अशी अक्षर आहेत की कम्प्लीट लाईन वरती झाली. सम लेटर्स आर देअर, वी मस्ट प्रेझेंट देम ऑन लाईन. लेट अस लुक ॲट दिस A to you can see Z, but somehow not all 26 letters are included in that. So just try to look into this and try to make a practice of it. You can definitely get change, or you can completely handwriting within fraction seconds of time. So second rule here in front of you, some letters are there, we must have to put their stroke on up to the lines, not below the lines. We first look into first formula, just be on the line. Here the stroke will be on above the line or up to the line. Now you can see some letters are there, only 7 letters are there. Then we have third formula, which is here the formula says you just have to give your stroke below the line. Now look at this. Again here we can see only 5 letters. So accordingly we just follow strokes. You can get the excellent style of your handwriting. Now here you can see this is the first image where we won't follow any kind of, like let's say stripe, strokes, and any kind of formulas, or like let's say any kind of tricks for the handwriting. And after this, just following given 3 tricks or given 3 rules or given 3 formulas, look at this. This would be attractive handwriting for yourself. So try to implement it. Now let me take you ahead. Alphabets divided into 2 parts. Why they are divided into 2 parts, or what alphabets are there? Let's say 26 alphabets there are in English language, or these alphabets makes independent sounding and fusion or production of sounds. They are separated in 2 categories. One is for vowel and second one, that is consonant. Now let me tell you, 5 vowels are 5, and 5 vowels you can see here, only 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters produce around 20 different sounds. We just acquaint with all of them. आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे, but just have to look at the slide. See, A, it has produced around these kind of sounds. Up, cup, away, girl, bat, see. Then A, camera, father, sit. This is sit is E. So see, all these are 20 different sounds which are produced by 5 vowel letters. Just practice of it, because once you practice it, then you can improve your spelling formation. Then you can able to, like, let's say pronunciation skill will be developed. You never twist your tongue while you pronouncing such a kind of pronunciations or such a kind of sounds. Try and understand. Now we have 21 consonants remaining, and all 21 consonants produce around 24 sounds only. So we must understand here all the sounds. You have to practice it. We have first slide for you. Like, let's say p, b, t, d, k. These are the sounds which are produced in our language. But how we can spell out these pronunciations into English? Let us discuss here. Pen, bat, tea, dog, cat. Same like it's for water. Then z. We have z. It's a measure. And z. So try to read it many times. Try to note down it and just make a practice of it. After making of these kind of practices, you can fluently pronounce your words. You can listen wherever the accents are different language or a different country or different continent, you can definitely adopt it in an easy manner. That means इंटरनॅशनल लेवलवरचं जे काही प्रोनाउन्सिएशन्स असतात ते समजून घेण्यासाठी तुम्हाला नक्कीच मदत होईल. लेट अस गो अहेड. देन वी हॅव मराठी साऊंड्स. नाव आपण मराठी विद्यार्थी, तर मराठी विद्यार्थ्यांना ही इंग्लिश मध्ये लर्न करत असताना इंग्लिशच्या काही आयडियालॉजीज लक्षात घ्यायच्या. सो हे जे सगळे साऊंड्स आहेत यांना मराठीतली बाराखडीच्या दृष्टिकोनातून आपण बघणं गरजेचे, ज्यामुळे तुमची प्रॉपर नाउनची, सिटीजचे नाउन, प्लेसेसचे नाउन, देन डिफरंट थिंग्सचे नाउन्स असतात त्यांचं स्पेलिंग करेक्ट येईल अँड इट विल हेल्प यू फॉर दॅट मॅटर. नाउ वी हॅव क टू ज्ञ. Then we have Kaka Kiki. And that's it for this session. Thank you.